Hold on.
He was actually swinging it out.
And then he got her. I was hoping to stop.
And so she was trying to run away. So I had to get the belt and I smacked her. Okay.
The 12th of February, 2025. County Sheriff's Office responds to a domestic call. Juvenile victim found on street with documented belt injuries. Subject detained, Mirandized, and charged with child abuse.
518, reference to a possible disturbance on 107 out there, 97.
This is my little sister. I was trying to take her to school. Like she wasn't trying to go to school today, and I took her anyway. And then she wasn't properly dressed, so I brought her back home to get her dressed. Okay. And she wasn't trying to get dressed, and so she was trying to run away. So I had to get the belt and I smacked her. Okay.
Cool, real quick, bro.
I know it's...
Yeah, you know I gotta do real quick, just to do an investigation. Just real quick, just put your hands behind your back real quick. You're not under arrest, you're just gonna be detained till I figure out what's going on, okay?
I saw him get out of the car. He went that way and started running the opposite way.
Okay.
I turned around to see if I could help her, and he got out of the car, started chasing her, and he got the belt and he was attacking her with it.
He was actually swinging it
Yeah,
out.
he was hitting her, and then he got her. I was hoping to stop. I said I was going to call the cops. I said, call the cops. They won't do anything to me. I work with them. And I told him I don't care. I'm calling them. And he got her by the arm and started dragging her back to the car. She was screaming and crying.
Okay.
Let me just figure out what's going on and stuff real quick. We just got a call from our office and stuff, okay?
I know this girl stopped and she's like, I'm calling the cops. I was like,
Who's the one that called?
This girl here right in front of us.
If you are only 11 years old, you need to talk to me. Did you hear me? Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Do you need an ambulance to come check you out? Talk to me. Janessa, talk to me. Pizza, look at me. Talk to me. Do you need an ambulance? Are you hurt? Huh? Have you had anything to drink? Huh? You haven't had anything to drink?
Janessa, you're not going to be in trouble. We're just trying to help you, okay?
I'm a mother, Janessa. Come on. You need to talk to us. Do you need an ambulance?
I guess
I don't know where he smacked her. He said he smacked her.
Are your arms hurting?
41 with the belt.
But she was freezing. I just stopped to help her.
Okay.
Janessa, where do you live? Over here? Where?
Which house?
Where is your mom and dad? Huh?
Are they over there? No?
Have you had anything to drink this morning, Janessa? You have. What did you drink? Huh? And what else? Have you had any liquor? No? Are you hurting somewhere? If he just took you from school, we need to find out why he took you from school. You're only 11 years old.
Starting to talk. She said she lives over here, so...
You're only 11 years old, Mika. Look, you're not even properly dressed. You were freezing.
What is this 41 C back there?
Ma'am, can I try to talk to her for a minute?
Yeah, I gotta get going because I gotta.
Okay.
I have an appointment.
Just a quick statement. What did you see, or how did you...
Well, I was just coming down. This lady was already here first. She was, I don't know, she was on the phone with the cops or what. And she was over here just walking and bending down. I don't know if she's hurt. Okay. I don't know. You might want to ask the brother what happened.
Yeah, we are. Alrighty, Janessa. Janessa, right? My name's James, okay? Are you okay? What happened to your arms? It's okay. We're not here to get you in trouble, okay? We're just trying to help you and figure out what's going on. You don't want to go to school? Is that what it is? Or is this your brother? It's not your brother?
My cousin.
Your cousin? Okay. And what's his name? I didn't talk to him.
Jordan.
Jordan? Okay. And you live with your cousin or with your parents or who? I'm just trying to help you out so we can get you a place to go home, okay? Is there somewhere you can go?
I just want to call my dad.
You want to call your dad? Do you have a phone? No? You have a phone number for your dad so we can try to give him a call? No? Where is he at?
Santa Fe.
He's in Santa Fe? Is that where he lives or he's just over there?
He's over there.
He's over there? You don't know his phone number? Who else can we call?
My grandma.
Your grandma? Like I said, we're just trying to help you out, okay? We're not trying to get you in trouble. You're not in trouble, nothing like that. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. Are you okay? Do you need anything? No? Anything hurting you? Your leg? Did you get hit with the belt on your leg? Yeah. And then on your arm, it looks like?
Can we put her back there real quick so I can interview? Let's come to the ambulance right here, okay? Let's take a walk, okay? So, he hit you with the belt on your leg. I'm just trying to get him find parents and stuff for this, so I'm just trying to...
Are her parents here?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, okay. Who here?
What is he to you?
My cousin.
Your cousin? Okay. Can you take off the jacket real quick? Because I want to see your arms.
We just need to see where they hit you.
So what happened
Okay, I
here on the
see
arm?
right there.
Okay. Hold on, okay. We'll put that jacket back on you. I just got a photograph, okay? Hold on.
Wait, let me just her thighs, the back of her thighs.
So where is it?
Her thighs,
Thighs,
all
okay.
both buttocks, and on her left and right thigh.
Okay. So you said
They're welts.
The welts?
Welts. Yeah,
Okay.
welts.
What is it? Like five?
Welt is like it could be from a belt.
It could be from a belt. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It can be.
And these ones will turn into bruises.
There's no hand
Here,
marks, but
see
there
how
are
that's a
belt
scrape and
marks.
this will turn into a bruise here because that's more in that. Because it's more of like a, where they grabbed onto it
Okay.
and they squeezed the.
Try to get a hold of a parent or guardian or somebody we can have. I need somebody so we can do treatment with this. And then we'll go from there. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to interview him back here real quick and see. Okay. Alright, real quick, Jordan. So obviously I'm Deputy Cook. I'm one of the County Sheriff's Office. You know who I am and stuff, okay? So real quick, what I do before I interview anybody, I read them Miranda one, okay? So just listen to me. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me on what happened today?
She was.
It's a yes. Hold on, real quick. Yes or no? Yeah. Yeah, you do. Okay. Just gotta. Just do that. So what happened today?
She was trying to. I was trying to take her to school. I took her and my brother to school. She didn't want to go to school. I dropped her bag off in her jacket over there at the school. Trying to take her. I'm still supposed to.
And who's she and her?
Janessa,
Janessa.
little sister.
That's your little sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was taking her to school. I had to come bring her back to get dressed because she wasn't properly dressed because she didn't want to come to school. And as I was taking her back, she was getting ready and she didn't want to get ready, so she was trying to run away. After I smacked her a little bit I smacked her on her butt to get ready.
What did you smack her with?
The belt. I smacked her with a different belt than this one. This one's too. I just used this one to scare her. But I smacked her with the belt and then she ran. She wanted me to call my dad to.
And who's your dad?
Shane.
Legal parent or guardian?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, actually, the legal parent is my other brother. Lives in Vegas. She's a juvenile, actually, so she stays with my dad, but he's full custody.
And who's he?
My brother, Shane.
Junior. How old is he?
22.
He's 22.
I think. 21, 22.
Okay. All right. So you said you hit her with a belt. How many times?
I smacked her like 5-6 times on her butt, and then she started running away after she.
5-6 times on the butt.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you said she ran away.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where did she run away from?
My house over here.
So the house down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
She didn't want to go to school, and she.
So you hit her because she hit her because she didn't want to go to school.
She didn't want to get ready, and she didn't want to go to school, and she ran away because she didn't want to. Because I didn't want to call my dad.
Okay.
And she's ran away from my mom before too at night, actually, because of that.
And how many times did you hit her out here?
I didn't smack her.
No. Because I have somebody saying that you did.
No.
That they witnessed that.
I didn't smack her out here. I pulled her arm.
You pulled her arm?
She has bruises probably. I pulled her arm and I was grabbing her because she shouldn't be running away from us. Like, we're trying to help her.
I did see something in the arm. It looks like a welt and stuff.
No. I grabbed her pretty hard because she shouldn't be running away from us. Like, we're the ones trying to help her. Like,
how old is she?
She's 12, I think.
About 12?
Yeah.
And then what else happened?
That girl called the cops. She stopped me and she's like, "Are you hitting her?" I was like, "Well, she's trying to run away from me. Like, she's trying to run away from me, the school. Like, she needs to go to school. Like."
And so that's all that happened today?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what's going to happen. So obviously for today's incidents, okay, it's going to lead to an arrest, okay, straight up. That's. So I don't want to impound the vehicle and all that stuff. I'm trying to work with you as best as I can.
Is my grandma there? I don't know if she could drive standard though.
Do you give permission to take the key and all that stuff? Do you want to leave anything with you? Hold on real quick. Okay?
Okay, son,
Hold on.
what's going on?
Hold on. Come here. Come here.
Where's my daughter?
Come here. Hold on. Walk me back here. Deputy Corporal, County Sheriff's Office. You know who I am, okay? So, what are you to...
This is my son. My son and my daughter.
Your son and your daughter, okay. So your daughter, Janessa, okay. So an incident occurred. So are you the legal parent regarding?
No. My son is, she's actually my brother's daughter, but we have custody of her. I've had custody and stuff. I've had her since she was 4 months old.
Okay. So, but you're not the physical?
I'm not the physical.
Okay. So, he's on his way up here, right?
I don't know.
Shane Jr.'s on his way up here, okay?
I hope so. Okay.
Okay.
What's going on? What's going on?
Okay. Take a deep breath.
I can't.
Okay.
Just
Take a deep breath, okay?
Please.
So an incident occurred out here with your son. How old is your son?
He's 19.
19. Okay, so he's 19. Okay.
20.
20.
Just turned 20.
Okay. So my understanding is they live over here.
Yes.
Do you live over here with them?
No, me and their dad are divorced.
Okay.
He lives with their dad.
Okay. So an incident occurred between him and Janessa. Okay. She's in the back of the ambulance. I'm waiting for the parent or guardian. I need to get treatment for her. Okay.
What happened?
Well, I can't disclose too much for you because you're not the legal parent or guardian. You know what I mean? So I'm waiting for the parent to come up. Can you get a hold of see where he's at or Junior's at for me? Okay. Careful. Watch it. So this is your mom? Okay. Do you want to tell her what's going on? Yeah. You let her know? Okay. Just because that's you're a grown man now. Mm-hmm. You're obviously over team, but that's if that's okay, I'll let her know. So I'll have Michael move that out of the way for you so we can get that out of here and stuff, and then we'll go from there. I'll explain everything else in a bit. I just gotta wait to get your sister some treatment and stuff because she does have some welts and stuff. Okay, obviously from the belt and all that stuff.
Coca, nothing. Come here, man.
Go back here. I'll let you know. I'll let you know what's gonna happen.
Are you sure? Okay.
So I talked to your son. He said it's okay to let you know what's happened. Okay. So he hit Janessa a few times with the belt.
Good.
So
Okay. She's probably doing her stupid shit again.
So
Okay.
So he's gonna line up going with us, and we're gonna get her some checked out and stuff. Okay, but I need Junior. Can you see where Shane Junior's at?
I'm trying to get him to call me.
Let me know where he's at so we can get out. Because I need to get her checked out and stuff.
Yes,
okay, because
okay.
she has some injuries, so we need to get checked out. Okay.
Okay. I'll get a hold of him. There he is right here.
Okay.
Okay, sure. So granted, he doesn't want to press charges or whatever, but I mean, I'm sure my sister will show you the pictures. I mean, they're not just, it's not just a spanking, man. This shit is, well,
And for him to chase her from down there to down here,
And that's what I was, Corporal was actually explaining to me, and that's what we're actually in the process now. Because again, there's a difference between discipline, right?
well, exactly.
And again, discipline to, abuse.
right.
Dad's gonna send me money for your bill, if anything. They said you have to wait till tomorrow, you might have to stay the fucking night.
So, I'll get this stuff out of here.
They said you're not gonna have bill till tomorrow. But I'm gonna have Dad send me money right away.
Terry v. Ohio 1968. An investigative detention requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion, a lower threshold than probable cause. A bystander report of a man striking a child corroborated by an injured juvenile on scene satisfies this standard. The initial handcuff detention was constitutionally valid. Lesson officers do not need probable cause to detain for investigation, but must escalate to probable cause before formal arrest. Miranda v. Arizona 1966, combined with Berkemer v. McCarty 1984. Custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of the right to silence, the right to counsel, and the warning that statements may be used in court. Custody is defined as any situation where a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. A handcuffed subject at a domestic scene meets that standard. Miranda attached at the moment of physical restraint. Colorado v. Spring 1987. A valid Miranda waiver must be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. Waiver documented on Bodycam satisfies all three elements and creates an admissible evidentiary record. Lesson Miranda timing is critical. Rights must be administered before formal interrogation, not before initial scene assessment. This distinction determines the admissibility of every subsequent statement. The reasonable parental discipline defense is recognized across most U.S. jurisdictions, but carries a physical injury threshold. Courts apply a proportionality analysis based on the age of the child, the implement used, the number of strikes, and the resulting injury. 5 to 6 belt strikes producing documented welts on both thighs of a 1-2-year-old, requiring EMS evaluation, exceed that threshold. Once physical injury is documented by medical personnel, the corporal punishment defense loses legal viability as a matter of law. The doctrine of in loco parentis grants disciplinary authority only to those formally standing in place of a legal parent. Legal guardianship, not biological or familial proximity, is the operative standard. A cousin with no court-recognized custody cannot invoke the parental discipline defense. Lessened disciplinary authority requires legal standing. Absent express delegation from the legal guardian, any use of physical force on a minor by a non-guardian constitutes battery at minimum and child abuse when injury results. Troxel v. Granville, 2000. Parents and legal guardians hold a fundamental liberty interest in decisions over the care and medical treatment of their children. Medical treatment of a minor requires consent from the legal guardian, not from a relative present at the scene. Failure to obtain guardian consent before treatment violates both constitutional doctrine and standard medical procedure. This is not procedural preference. It is a constitutional requirement. Key legal lessons from this incident. Miranda timing is not discretionary. Rights precede interrogation always. Physical injury evidence transforms discipline into abuse as a matter of law, regardless of intent. Disciplinary authority requires legal standing, not familial relationship. A post-Miranda admission corroborated by EMS documentation and a third-party witness creates an evidentiary record that satisfies probable cause, supports prosecution, and eliminates any viable affirmative defense.